Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to start the Mermaid scale glove pattern, just in case there's any confusion out there, and this way I don't have to use anyone else's tutorials. You guys can just use mine. I'm going to be making this actually for an order, and I'm going to be making the size extra large. Now when I got my clover hooks, I don't know if these are just a tad smaller than the Crochet Dude hooks I was using, or if I'm just crocheting tighter because my hands are more comfortable with these hooks. I totally recommend these hooks, by the way. I love my clovers. But what used to be my medium is now my small, and so on and so forth, ever since the hook change. So just keep that in mind. If you change your hooks, you might have to change your sizing, because your hook might not provide the same loops as your other one did, so it might end up a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. So just keep that in mind if you decide you're going to get new crochet hooks. I'm going to be making, she wants a size large, but I need to make the extra large again because of my hook change. So we're going to start with a chain of 66. I've got my yarn here. And we're going to do a slip knot. And we're going to go ahead and chain 66. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, Okay, so now we have our chain of 66. We want to make sure it stays lined up. Now, you're going to make this into a circle. Just make sure that you get to the same side so you don't end up flipping your chain around. Just gonna pull through. Now we're done with the first chain. So right from here you're going to chain 3. Okay, so now that you've joined your chain, you've made a circle. Right from here you're going to do a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm sorry for using black yarn, guys, but at least I have a white background. So, alright, so you're going to take, after you do your chain 3, which is going to count as a double crochet, you're going to double crochet right back into that same stitch. So you have 2 in the same. There's your first set of double crochets. You chain 1. You're going to skip 2 chains, single crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip another 2 chains, and then do 2 double crochet into the next chain. So right here. Sorry, I'm trying to like look at my hands through the camera while I'm doing this. It's kind of messed me up a little bit. Skip 2, 2 double crochet into the same chain. And I guess I should be saying what I'm doing. Yarn over, in through the loop, pull the loop up, save 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You're done with that. So now you're starting to make the foundation for your scales. Chain 1, skip 2 chains, and do a single double crochet into the next. So yarn over, 1, 2, yeah, you know guys in the black, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, put it in and pull up a loop, save 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your second single double crochet, chain 1, skip 2, 2 double crochet into third, and a second one into the same stitch. So now there's foundation for 1, 2, 3 crocodile stitches. And right now we're technically doing the inside. So I'll show you what I mean when we get around. I'm going to do a couple more of these and then I'll speed it up a little bit for you guys. Chain 1, skip 2, single double crochet into the next chain. Sorry for my dirty fingernail. It's actually not dirty, it's blue dye that I can't get off because I just dyed yarn. And I'm going to do a second one. You're done with that one. Chain 1, skip 2, double crochet into the third chain, this is really hard to do. I'm literally wearing the camera around my neck right now, so because I don't have any help. I'm trying real hard for you guys. All right, chain 1, skip 2, 2 double crochet into the next, which would be the third, and second double crochet into that same stitch, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 double crochet into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, right here. Chain 1, and now we've got just about half of our foundation ready. I'm going to speed this up, and I'll meet you back around it. Alright, so now we're at the end of our row. We've created the base for our scales. You'll have 2 chains left, and then you'll be back around to that chain 3 that you started with. After you do that last single double crochet in chain 1, you're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 that you started with, to end the row. And slip stitch, and you're done.